Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for hauls, home decor, and all things homemaking. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome, and for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. This week's video is going to be another shopping haul. Well, not a home decor shopping haul, but a children's clothing shopping haul. Why? Because my daughter has had not one, but two growth spurts between August and now. So it's been about maybe 7 months, 8 months, and she has grown exponentially. Typically, she can repeat some clothes from the year prior, but this time around, not only has her foot grown from a size 11 to a 13, but she is now a size 6 in clothes, where before she was a size 4, maybe 5 in August. So with that being said, if you're interested in finding out all of the great items that I got from H&M and from Burlington Factory, stay tuned. I decided to do this in 2 parts because I did get her quite a bit of clothing, and I'll explain to you as I go through why. Now, I decided to get some clothing from Burlington Factory and from H&M, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. However, the next video that I post will be a part 2 of Peyton's growth spurt, and this will be a shopping haul from Target. So let's jump right into the H&M clothes first. First things first, I got her this headband, which I absolutely love. If you take a look here, it's like a mint green, and it has some pearl detail on it, and this one was $5.99. Now here's what I plan to do with this. I am thinking about wearing it or having her wear it with a twist out, or she might have like a nice ponytail back in one, and then she can wear that. I will tell you that for the remainder of the school year, school ends the last week of May at her school in Atlanta. So she will be wearing no uniform for the remainder of the school year. She started off the school year wearing uniform, but there's not going to be any uniform for the remainder of the year. So with that being said, you know, as the summer's coming along, I had to kind of get quite a bit of clothes. So that's why you'll notice that in last week's video, which I'll be sure to link here, you'll know that I did a shopping haul from Marshall's and Home Goods. So the Home Goods TJ Maxx mix. So I'll be sure to include that video here so you guys can check out some of the items I got from there. I also picked up, as I said today, H&M Burlington Factory. Real quick explanation as to why I'm doing so much shopping is because not only are these clothes going to be for the remainder of the school year, but in addition, she will be going to New York for about 1.5 months in the summer to be with her grandparents, and I like to make sure that she's well stocked there as well. So that's why you'll notice that there'll be a lot of hauls coming in, because I just want to make sure that she's properly prepared. So the next item that I got from H&M, now H&M tends to run a little bit big, so I did get this in a size 4-5, but I thought this was just absolutely beautiful, and it has these kind of wooden looking buttons coming all the way down to the bottom. I see her wearing this. I think she can definitely wear it to school. I always have her, as I mentioned in last week's video, I always have her wear shorts underneath her dresses because, again, she's 6, she's not fully aware just yet. So I do like to make sure that all of these dresses that I'm mentioning here today, I usually buy some really you know, short gym shorts, if you will, and I have her wear those underneath her clothes. Also, sometimes I'll have her wear her biker shorts, like the bike shorts from last year that would fit by her knees, might be a little bit shorter now, maybe like mid-thigh. I use those, excuse me, almost as like bloomers for her dresses this year. The next one I got, I'm just in love with this one. It has these beautiful strawberries and peaches on it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And it also has, it looks like some raspberries as well. You have a white, peach, pink, red, I love, and green, and I love that because then what happens is I get a lot of different options when it comes to what bows to put in her hair, and then I typically will go with a neutral sandal and she's good to go. And the first dress, I forgot to mention, the first dress, this orange one, was $14.99. This dress was also $14.99. I absolutely love them. They are going to be ones that I'll have to iron. I did want to mention that for those of you that are interested, because I know a lot of people like to be able to just pull out the dryer and go. One quick trick, what I do is I buy the Downy Wrinkle Release. What I do is I usually let them dry for maybe about 10 minutes where it's still very much damp, but it has a little heat to it. Then I spray a little bit of that Downy release and I just hang them up to dry. And typically we're good to go for the most part. You might have to do a little bit of steaming, but I rarely iron if I don't have to, except when it came to her uniforms. The next one I have here is this beautiful, it's like a salmon color with polka dots, and it's like a white glitter polka dots on there. And this was only $4.99. I love these little play dresses. They're really nice and easy, super simple to put together. For $5, I mean, you can't beat it. And as you guys know, I have a rule. I rarely spend, I'd say maybe $20 or $25 on an entire piece. Like if it's like a dress, I don't really like to spend more than like $20 or $25 if I have her wearing it on a regular basis. If it's for something a little bit more formalized, like maybe picture day at school, or maybe a photo shoot that I'm putting together, then yes, I will pay a little bit more money, and that's no problem. But realistically, they have growth spurts and we can't time them, right? And also, she's 6. She gets food on her clothes, she gets markers on her clothes. So I don't like to spend too much, because then when she gets those stains and things that can't come out, we can just, you know, keep them as home clothes, and she wears them like when she's painting in the backyard in the summer and stuff, and it makes things a lot easier. The next item I have here, which you know she absolutely loved when she saw, this is a 5T, because again, I find that it runs pretty big. It's not that long, but it does run pretty wide, and I felt like any larger it would be too big for her. And this was also $4.99. Super cute. I think I could put that with some denim shorts, or we could do them with jeans, full-length jeans, or maybe a fun legging as well. The next one I have here is this hot pink number, which I love. It has these lemons on it. I love, as you can tell, a lot of bright colors for Paidy for the summer. She is a child, and I think it looks beautiful when kids have these summer clothes on. And really, you can dress this up or you can dress this down. Honestly, you could put this with a nice denim jacket, some fun Converse sneakers, or some nice sandals, a nice bright yellow bow, or I wouldn't do the pink because that's too assuming for me. I would probably do like a nice green sequin bow or yellow bow in her hair, and it looks really nice and funky. And mind you, this was only $4.99. The next item I got were these cute denim shorts. I thought these were so cute. Now these denim shorts, they do look similar to the ones, again, if you look in the last video, the DKNY ones I got from Marshall's, but this one is from H&M. It was $9.99. And it has a nice stretch to it, which I love. This will probably be too big for her right now because her waist is still very tiny. But what I plan is, if it doesn't work, you know, we could always wear it next year. But it was just too good of a deal to pass up for only $9.99. And if she does have another growth spurt in Atlanta, she could probably wear shorts right up until like mid-October. So she has time to grow into that. The next items I got now are going into the Burlington Co-Factory haul. So what I got here was some shorts. They're kind of like workout shorts. I love these because, again, as you know, Peyton is in competitive tumbling and cheerleading. So I love for her to be able to wear something on top of her leotard when she is going. They do have a uniform for practice. But I find that, you know, especially since she's getting taller now, you know, her cheeks are kind of hanging out on the bottom. I don't want her walking outside like that. Not appropriate. So I usually like to have her in some sort of shorts, or in the winter with some leggings on, just to layer up as she goes in. So I will definitely have her in this. In addition, she would definitely wear these when she goes on her walks with me in the summer, or with my mom in the summer. Again, shameless plug. Hope you're following us on Instagram, because we do stories all the time. Now that it's getting warmer outside, we'll definitely be doing some more walks, and we usually do our stories to kind of take you guys along with us. And she loves to check in and tell you guys how she's doing, and those are the type of clothes that I love to put her in, because I feel like they're nice and comfy, and she can wear them, and it's a very easy wash, which is important, right? Like, you want a nice easy wash. That's something you don't need to iron, because it's kind of like a windbreaker fabric. Next item I got her, which was only $10.99, is this pair of slides. These slides are something she will definitely get a lot of wear out of, especially for she will be going for 2 weeks. They have limited camp. They're only allowing you to sign up for 1 session on Long Island, which is where she's going to be for the summer. So she will be in a sports camp. And in the sports camp, they do have swimming as well. So I usually like to have her with slides so she can have something where she can walk to the pool with. And then also just like, you know, when she's quickly going out with me or my mom during the summer when it's hot and she's just quickly going out, this is like a nice go-to for her, and they're super comfortable. I did get her a size 1 and they fit her just right. Like I'm still in shock. She was just an 11. It's crazy, but anyway. So anyway, these were only $10.99 and they are Reebok. I thought that was a good deal. To go back real quick, this one was $6.99, which I was so excited about. 2 pairs of shorts for $6.99. You cannot beat it. The next thing that I got was these 2 pair of dresses. I think these are great dresses that will definitely take her through the summer. They're nice, easy wash fabric. You don't need to iron this. Again, if you do that method I told you with the downy wrinkle release, I think it's like $8, but it lasts a very long time. Like I've had mine for a good 6 months, and you know, you just keep it a little damp, spray it down, and you're good to go. But these 2 dresses, this 2-pack, and it also came with the headband, was $8.99. Guys, you can't beat this. This is why I get so many things, because again, if she grows out of it in a month, I'm not upset that I spent $9 on 2 dresses. However, if I spend $80 on a dress and she grows out of it in 2 months, now I'm upset because I'm like, darn, you know, she maybe only got to wear 3 times. So this is definitely the way to go. Okay, so I got this 2-pack of biker shorts. And this is what I was talking about. So right now, these, I would have her wear them as shorts, right? But next year, when I know she'll be taller, she would wear this kind of short here, would be perfect for under her dresses, because then this would be a little bit, maybe, this will probably fit her like mid-thigh next year if she does have that much of a growth spurt. So it's perfect for her to wear under dresses like these. Okay, so that's what I was talking about before. This was a 2-pack. It is the Guess Kids brand. I thought this was a fun pair of shorts that I could definitely get a couple good shots out of for our Instagram page. And this 2-pack was only $7.99. I'm telling you guys, these deals are awesome. So the last one I have here is this Minnie Mouse outfit, which I thought was absolutely so cute. I would not put these together. I think it's a little bit too much for one outfit, but I definitely would break these apart. So I would definitely put this with a cute pair of shorts or leggings, and then I would definitely put this with a cute shirt, but I wouldn't necessarily put them together. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys for staying with us until the end. This was a nice quick one. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and Facebook and follow us there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.